A Demat account is a type of account used to hold securities in electronic form, instead of physical certificates. It stands for Dematerialized Account. If you want to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or any other securities in India, you will need to open a Demat account. Here's how you can open a Demat account in India. Research and choose a depository participant, DP. You will need to open a Demat account with a DP, who is authorized by National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL, or Central Depository Services Limited, CDSL. You can compare services and charges of different DPs and choose the one that best suits your needs. Fill in the Demat account opening form. You can get the form from the DP's office or website. Fill in the form with accurate personal and financial information. Submit the required documents. You will need to submit a proof of identity, PAN card, passport, driving license, etc., proof of address, utility bill, bank statement, etc., and a cancelled check. Pay the account opening charges. You will need to pay the account opening charges and the annual maintenance charges as specified by the DP. Wait for account activation. The DP will verify your details and documents and activate your account once everything is in order. Link your bank account. You will need to link your bank account with your Demat account so that you can easily transfer funds for your investments. Once your Demat account is activated, you can start investing in securities by placing buy or sell orders through your DP.